So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to deposit money on your stake from your Binance. So first, you need to access a web browser or search engine. So in this case, I'm using a Google Chrome, and you could also use any search engines based on your preference. So after that, you need to access stake.com and make sure to access your account by entering your credentials. And after that, you will see this page, and for you to able to deposit on your stake account, just click on the wallet. But in this case, my wallet stake is not yet set up, but once you click on the wallet button right here, you will see the deposit and the withdraw button right here. You just have to click on the deposit and enter which type of currency that you wanted to deposit on this account. And then navigate to your Binance for you to able to send a cryptocurrency right here on your stake account by entering the wallet address that you copied from this account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.